Hi everyone, you're watching Power Pulse Life. I'm super excited to share with you a 7-day 1200 calorie diet plan designed specifically for quick and effective weight loss. With this plan, you can expect to lose 2 to 3 kgs in just 1 weekend. Yes, it really works. A lot of my clients have recently followed this exact plan and experienced amazing transformations, and I truly believe, if they can do it, so can you. If you're looking for personalized or customized diet plans that cater to your specific goals and body needs, feel free to reach out to me. You can email me at ***. This step is crucial for detoxification and jump-starting your metabolism. I always recommend starting the day with detox water, and here are 3 great options that you can rotate throughout the week. Option 1. A glass of warm water with lemon juice, a pinch of cinnamon, and a pinch of black pepper powder. This combination provides a vitamin C boost, supports skin health, detoxifies your body, and suppresses appetite while enhancing immunity. Option 2. My personal favorite, apple cider vinegar ACV in lukewarm water. Just mix 1 tsp of ACV in a glass of warm water. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, balances body pH, and is excellent for boosting metabolism. Now moving on to breakfast, here are 2 options you can alternate between. Option 1. A bowl of vegetable poha, light on poha, heavy on fiber-rich veggies like beetroot, onion, tomatoes, capsicum, and peas. You can also add paneer for a protein boost. Pair it with a cup of freshly brewed green tea. Option 2. A whole wheat or multigrain bread sandwich filled with 70 to 100 g paneer and fresh veggies like cucumber and tomato, dressed with mint chutney or Greek yogurt. Grill it lightly and enjoy with green tea, black tea, or black coffee, whichever suits your taste. Next, let's talk about the mid-morning snack, which comes between breakfast and lunch. If you're feeling a bit hungry, try one of these nourishing options. Option 1. A handful of 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts, 1 tsp pumpkin seeds, 1 tsp sunflower seeds, and 5 soaked black raisins. This powerful mix supports brain function, hormonal balance, and is especially beneficial for PCOD, Pcos, and overall health. Option 2. 1 serving of seasonal fruit or a homemade fruit smoothie with 2 to 3 fruits blended with water, milk, or Greek yogurt for a refreshing, nutritious snack. I've shared plenty of smoothie recipes on my channel, so feel free to check those out. Now, it's time for lunch, ideally between 2 to 3 p.m. Here are 3 wholesome and balanced lunch options. Option 1. 1 multigrain roti made from ragi, baira, barley, or jowar, paired with a bowl of dal or any seasonal sabzi. Add a bowl of curd or raita and a fresh salad. This combination provides a complete balance of carbs, proteins, fiber, and probiotics, perfect for digestion and gut health. Option 2. A bowl of khichdi made with minimal rice, loaded with veggies and protein sources like dal or paneer. I love experimenting with different kinds like moong dal khichdi, chana dal khichdi, and even paneer biryani. Top it with 1 tsp desi ghee for digestion and flavor, and enjoy with curd or Greek yogurt on the side. Option 3. Fermented foods like 1 multigrain dosa or 2 to 3 idlis made with millets and dulse. Pair this with sambar and a bowl of curd for a probiotic-rich lunch that supports gut health and keeps you full for hours. Now let's move to the evening snack, which bridges the gap between lunch and dinner. Choose from the following: 1 cup of green tea, peppermint tea, black tea, or black coffee, paired with 30 grams of roasted bananas with black pepper and a little desi ghee, or plain roasted peanuts, no salt. For sugar cravings, have 1 date or a small piece of dark chocolate made with stevia, satisfying and guilt-free. For dinner, we'll focus on high protein and low carbs to support fat burn overnight. Option 1. A bowl of lauki soup or lauki sabzi along with half a cup of paneer bhurji. This combo is fiber-rich and high in protein, which supports digestion and muscle repair. Add a large bowl of salad for added fiber. Option 2. 2 moong dal chillas, paired with mint or coconut chutney. These are super easy to make and full of protein, fiber, and taste. Now, before bedtime, let's not forget your post-dinner drink to wrap up the day. Option 1. A cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, perfect for calming the body, improving sleep quality, and aiding metabolism. It's ideal if you're struggling with insomnia or poor sleep habits. Option 2. If you prefer a more traditional option, go for ajwain water or jeera water. These help in digestion, reduce bloating, and are excellent for postpartum recovery and water retention. Make sure to drink at least 2 liters of room temperature water daily to stay hydrated and flush out toxins effectively. For personalized, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments and questions below, and of course, subscribe to my channel. You can now also subscribe to Eat More Lose More Tamil to access all my content in Tamil. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.